Hi, I'm just going to show you today how we wash our cloth diapers. We go by Fluff Love University's recommendations. In my description below, I'll link their index so you can find your washing machine on there. So you'll be doing a pre-wash and a main wash. So we'll just get started with the pre-wash. So these are all my soiled diapers. This is the large wet bag from Lil Helper. We have our two methods of storing our dirty diapers. So our next method is just the trusty old garbage bin. We just don't put a lid on it. It's about 10 bucks from Walmart, so it's awesome. This is usually in our laundry room and holds most of our diapers. So you just have to remember, pee is fine, you don't have to rinse it out, but poo should be washed out right away or you're gonna have even bigger problems. So what's great about cloth diapering in today's world is you don't need all these fancy cloth diapering detergents. Tide is actually I think the top recommended detergent. So for my specific washing machine, we just use line 1 of just original Tide. So my settings are according to how much water I need. I'll change that to large. And then I have it on hot, on the light setting, and then I go to just the light cycle. So I may or may not have just had a glass of wine in between these two loads, but who's judging who, right? So now it's time to bulk our load, and bulking is quite significant. This is very important. It creates the proper friction needed to properly clean your diapers. So we just bulk our load with clothes that our son has used since the last laundry day. If we still need to bulk it up, we'll add dishcloths, face cloths, dish towels. You just shouldn't have anything larger than receiving blanket. Oh, and we can't forget our bibs because those need to get washed quite often. So now we're just going to get started on our main wash here. Same trusty old detergent. And for my specific washing instructions, I use line 3 of just the Tide powder. And because I do have hard water, I have to use half a cup of Borax. And I just throw that straight into the drum with the soap. Please get your water tested. It will make or break your whole laundry routine, I promise you. So now, as we just get started with the main wash, I'll just move the soap because it's obviously in the way. I'll change my water level. I'm going to change my temperature to warm cold, and then I'm still on the light or the white setting, and then I'm going to go to the heaviest cycle that I have for the best agitation. So to dry, we actually line dry. We line dry all of our clothes, so it's not really a big issue for us to line dry. I know for some people that's a really big change for them, and that's fine. If you still want to use your dryer, that's totally okay. It's just recommended that you don't go on the hot setting, just the medium setting, just to protect the life of your diapers. So your wash routine is a pretty daunting topic, but it's also going to make or break your cloth diapering journey. So just try to make sure that you really do your research. We personally love Fluff Love University, but some people aren't a huge fan, so you'll just have to find what works best for you. Just in my description below, you'll see the washing machine index from Fluff Love University, and that should help you point you in the right direction. Please follow me on Instagram, and if you have any questions, you can just go ahead and just direct message me there, or you can comment below. Thank you for watching.